Welcome to this video on automating Excel reports using Python and OpenPyXL. We will show you how to move from manual repetition to automated logic. Python workflows are no longer just nice to have. They are a core capability for modern operations. And if this sounds abstract, let's make it very real. Your pain is not that you don't know Excel. Your pain is that you repeat the same steps every single week. Opening files, cleaning data, adding formulas, formatting reports. Manageable once? Yes. Manageable every Monday? No. This is where time waste becomes critical. So what if this repetition wasn't manual at all? Meet your new assistant, Python. Think of Python as someone who remembers every step you take and repeats it perfectly. OpenPyXL is what allows Python to speak Excel. It edits cells, it manages sheets, and most importantly, it never forgets what to do next. Now, getting started is simpler than most people expect. You install OpenPyXL with a single command. Once it's installed, your Python environment can control Excel files directly without even opening Excel. So let's begin at the beginning. A Python script creates a workbook entirely in memory. Nothing is written yet. Nothing is clicked. The file only becomes real when Python is told to save it. Here's what that looks like in practice. We create a workbook. We activate a sheet. We give it a name. And only when we call save does Excel actually exist. Until then, everything is safe, controlled, and automated. Once the structure is ready, we move to data. Python loops through a list and writes values into Excel cells, row by row. Row 1 stays reserved for headers, so we begin at row 2. Every cell is written intentionally. Nothing is accidental. And this is where automation truly scales. Python iterates through your data, cell by cell, row by row. Every item follows the same logic, the same rules, the same structure. Consistency is no longer manual. It's built in. Now, automation does not mean hiding Excel logic. Python inserts the formula, but Excel performs the calculation. That means your finance team can still inspect, review, and trust the report, exactly like a manual one. Because of course, data alone is not enough. Formatting matters. With Python, styles are applied the same way, every single time. Headers are bold, layouts are clean, human formatting errors disappear. But in real life, you rarely start fresh. You receive existing files, messy reports, half-formatted workbooks. Python opens the file you already have and improves it. No rebuilding, no copy-paste, just controlled modification. And cleaning data follows logic, not instinct. Check the row. If it's empty, remove it. If it's a duplicate, remove it. Python applies these rules patiently across thousands of rows without getting tired. Automation doesn't stop at cleaning. Python can calculate new values, apply business rules, and write results into brand new columns. Logic lives in the code. Results live in Excel. At this point, tool choice matters. Some tools write fast. Some analyze deeply. OpenPyXL sits in the middle, editing existing files while preserving formulas and formatting. That's why it fits reporting workflows so well. So let's connect everything. Raw data comes in, Python reads it, cleans it, summarizes it, formats it, and a finished Excel report comes out automatically. This is when automation becomes real. When the script runs without you. Schedule it. Run it every Monday morning. By the time you log in, the report is already waiting. And this is the real shift. When you automate repetitive work, you free up time to think, to analyze, to decide, to improve. Stop clicking cells. Start writing logic.